Looking for the perfect electric bike but feeling lost in a sea of options? No worries. Today we're ranking the top 5 electric bikes for adults, from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can find the right one for you. Stick around till the end, because our number 1 pick is a game changer. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the HOVERFLY H3. It's a compact, foldable electric bike that's built for convenience. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to store, this could be a great fit. With its 16-inch wheels and front suspension, it's designed for smooth rides around town. However, when we stack it up against the competition, it starts to fall behind. The 15.5 miles per hour top speed is the slowest on our list, and its range is significantly limited compared to higher ranked models. While it does have pedal assist and throttle mode, the small battery means you won't be going too far without needing a recharge. Another drawback is its single-speed transmission, which means you won't have the flexibility to shift gears when tackling inclines. If you plan to ride on hilly roads, this bike might struggle more than the others. Also, the weight of 55 pounds is on the heavier side for such a compact bike. That said, if you need an affordable, foldable electric bike for short city commutes or last mile travel, the HOVERFLY H3 is a decent option. But if you're after more speed, power, or range, you'll definitely want to check out the bikes higher on this list. Links to all the bikes at the best prices are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gotrax S3, a step up in both power and performance from the HOVERFLY H3. With a 500-watt motor and 20 miles per hour top speed, this bike is noticeably faster and more powerful. It's also lighter, weighing in at just 43 pounds, making it one of the easiest bikes to carry around. Unlike the previous model, the Gotrax S3 comes equipped with fat tires for extra stability, making it more versatile for different terrains. However, its range is still limited, only 25 miles on a full charge, which isn't ideal if you need something for longer rides. The biggest downside? No suspension system. While the fat tires help a bit, you'll definitely feel bumps in rough terrain more than you would on a bike with proper shock absorption. Plus, it still has a single-speed drivetrain, which limits flexibility for different riding conditions. If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight electric bike for short city rides or daily commutes, the Gotrax S3 is a solid choice. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Now, at number 3, we have the Gotrax R1, a great balance of power, portability, and price. Right away, you'll notice that it has a higher voltage battery compared to the Gotrax S3, meaning it offers a better range. You can get up to 40 miles on pedal assist, which makes it much more practical for longer rides. Even though it has a lower 350-watt motor, it still manages to hit 20 miles per hour, putting it on par with the Gotrax S3 in terms of speed. The 20-inch wheels are a great improvement over the 16-inch ones, providing better stability and comfort. It's also still foldable, making it a great option for commuters who need to store their bike in small spaces. However, it still lacks suspension, which means you might feel road vibrations on uneven terrain. And just like the previous models, it's a single-speed bike, so if you need gears for hilly rides, this might not be the best option. Overall, the Gotrax R1 is an excellent choice for city riders who want a foldable, mid-range electric bike that's affordable and practical. But if you're looking for something more powerful and versatile, we're about to get into the top 2 picks, and trust me, they're worth the wait. Taking the number 2 spot is the HOVERFLY OUREA, a bike that's built for more serious riders. Right away, you'll notice bigger 26-inch wheels, making it much more comfortable and stable than the previous options. Unlike the other bikes, this one actually has a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, meaning you can shift gears for more control, especially on hilly terrain. One of the biggest upgrades here is the front suspension, which makes a huge difference if you're riding over bumps or rough roads. And with 40 miles of range, it's great for longer commutes or even weekend adventures. That said, it's heavier than the Gotrax models at 53.5 pounds, and some users have reported that the brakes can be a little noisy at first. Also, the pedal assist system can feel a bit abrupt, which might take some getting used to. If you want a powerful, versatile e-bike with better range, gears, and suspension, the HOVERFLY OUREA is a fantastic choice. But we're not done yet. Our number 1 pick takes everything to the next level. And finally, taking the #1 spot as the best overall electric bike is the Windone S16. This beast outperforms every other bike on our list when it comes to range, power, and comfort. With a massive 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery, this bike can take you up to 50 miles on pedal assist, the longest range of any bike in this review. It's also the fastest, with a 22 miles per hour top speed, making it great for commuters who need speed and efficiency. The fat tires provide exceptional grip and stability, whether you're riding on pavement, dirt paths, or even light snow. Plus, it has front suspension, something missing in many of the lower-ranked folding bikes, making your ride a lot smoother over bumps and uneven roads. The only downsides? It's the heaviest bike on our list, coming in at 68.34 pounds, so if you need something ultra portable, this might not be the best fit. Also, while it's still foldable, its larger battery and frame make it less compact compared to the Gotrax models. Overall, the Windone S16 is the perfect electric bike for serious riders who want long-range performance, speed, and stability in a foldable design. If you're looking for the ultimate ride, this is hands down the best choice. That wraps up our ranking of the top 5 electric bikes for adults. If you're interested in any of these bikes, check out the links in the description below to get them at the best prices. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations.